Nakapagod. It's nakakapagod. Yeah.
Bakit? Sa paano
We have a lot of nakakapagod and it's also a relief for us to be able to air our side to the media and to of course, to the Senate.
Sir, na-pressure ba kayo dun sa tatlong senador? Paulit-ulit na appeal nila na umalis na po kayo dun sa KOJC?
Of course, there's always that effect on us.
Sir, sorry. Pwede po bang para lang Sorry, sir. Did you feel any pressure from those senators po appealing na umalis po kayo doon sa...
Pasensya na kayo, palagay ko bad breath na ako dahil matagal akong hindi nakainom ng tubig at nanunuyo na lalamunan ko. Pero, of course, tatlong senador yun eh. So, the pressure is always there. The effect is always there that we have to consider what they're saying even though, it may run against the operational procedures, it may run against our sworn duties. So, andun talaga, dagdag na isipin kumbaga.
General, sir, are you going to continue with your operation?
Yes, of course. No question about that. We will...
Naka-cordon pa rin yung base na
Kanina open nakapasok ang mga media ron
So ngayon, open pa rin
yeah, but we will continue exploring that place and we will cordon it again as the need arises.
Sir, nagkasundo kayo sa Proton Relic? Napagkasundo niya ba?
That portion is canalizing us into one instrument. As I've said before, masyado namang tricky question yun. Hindi naman po pwede yun i-surrender namin ang buong operation dahil lang sa isang napili ni Atty. Torion na instrumento.
So you're saying that you're afraid, sir, of that challenge by Atty. Torion?
We have a lot of instruments, MJ, and I will not allow that we will be tricked into that corner by your lawyer and debunk all others of our all other equipment. That's why we brought more redundancy.
So ano yung napagkasunduan rin niyo, sir?
Wala kami napagkasunduan regarding that matter. Wala kami napagkasunduan. Isa lang siguro dapat pagkasunduan dito. Ilabas niyo si Apollo Kibuloy. Napakasimple. Doon lang ang katapusan ng lahat. Pag si Apollo Kibuloy ay humarap na sa huwes. Lagi niya sinasabi. Lagi rin sinasabi ninyo, MJ, justice for Apollo Kibuloy. Saan hustisya nyo hinahanap ang hustisya na yan? Sa kalsada? Hindi naman po pwede dyan. Pag sinabi nyo justice for Apollo Kibuloy, ibig sabihin, ang hustisya iisa lamang dito sa Pilipinas, nasa mga korte. At ang unang step para makatanggap ka ng hustisya ay magpasakop sa korte. And in this case, to surrender to the court. Yun ang rason dyan, yun ang paraan dyan. Wala nang iba. Just like any other Filipinos.
Sir, after the hearing, ano po maging changes ng police operation sa loob ng compound?
We will re-strategize. Actually, I'm energized. Yang mga lahat ng pinalalampas namin na obstruction of justice, a-actionan na namin.
So, madagdag pa kayo ng tropa, sir?
Madadagdagan ang aresto, sigurado.
Sir, are you going to continue the...
Sir, you said about hard arrest.
As the need,
Can you expound on that?
as the need arises, we will do whatever it takes. We will do whatever is needed to catch Apollo Kibuloy in that compound.
Sir, regarding the obstruction of justice,
continue the digging, sir? Would you be stricter sa...
Yes, we will be. The search will be conducted on our own terms, not on theirs. Nakita niyo naman eh.
Sir, can you expound lang yung sinasabi mong obstruction of justice pag hindi pa rin nakipag-cooperate yung hard arrest? You were saying about that. Can you expound on it?
We will arrest anybody who obstructs the job of the policeman.
So are we expecting casualty?
We are. We don't have any other information that states otherwise. All the information that we have right now, nandiyan sa loob.
Sir, honestly, yung nag-obstruct, are we expecting casualty?
Continue with the digging?
As the need arises.
General, yung mga recommendation ninyo yung aalis yung pag-pasok sa kung hindi sila aalis, sigurado magkakagulo.
That's our recommendation. They can heed it or not. But we have ways to enforce that if the need arises.
Sir, paano yung magiging grounds para mag-hard arrest tayo?
Basta may obstruction of justice, huhulihin na namin ngayon.
Sir, ano po yung
Magta-
Subhanallah, walhamdulillah.